got a 2020 V6 Charger GT wide body. Shit is crazy, yo. Who's doing this? I don't know who's doing it. Somebody's out here doing V6 Charger wide body kits. I'm not sure who. I don't know, bro. GT V6. As you can see, it's got the wide body. Missing the side skirts, but I'm not gonna say shit. We'll talk about that later. We're installing an electric cutout. Already has one installed. I'm not sure why he only has one for now, but we're popping another one in right here. So it does open up and run a straight pipe. So it's gonna be super aggressive when he does open it up. You have the cats up top, we're not touching those. So right after the cats, electric cutout, dumps. Actually no dumps, these cutouts didn't come with dumps. These are some Amazon special cutouts. Not a huge fan of them. They do get the job done, hits the switch, opens up. Now back here we got stock X pipe, 2 factory resonators. We already did the Muffy D on the back, or a rear resonator delete. Got the 5-inch double wall stainless steel tips. And yeah, this V6 Charger is about to sound wicked. Trying to make it sound like a Blackwing, so we're doing a Muffy D on that thing, making it fucking pop, match, chop, and pipe. All right. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what's going on over here, and then we got the basic 4-cylinder stock factory exhaust on this thing. Comes with a catalytic converter up top, little flex pipe, and then 3-inch piping out the back, and then Matt's gonna run a Y to split the 2 pipes on the back, 2 extensions, and we're gonna make it look just like how it is right here. So factory tips, these tips are in the bumper, we're not touching them. So we're just running the extensions out the back, calling it a day. Cadillac needs more sound, guys. We Muffy D that thing. There's actually no resonators on this, or there is a little weird resonator in the midsection, so if he does want a little bit louder, he does a resonator delete. As of right now, Muffy D 4-cylinder turbo Cadillac. It's gonna sound dope. So we are in a 2018 AMG GT base model with a full Black Series conversion kit. Got the Alcantara dash. It's done pretty nice, man. I gotta give it to him. You know, looks good. I don't think I would put fucking 40 grand into a AMG GT, but I actually have a GTC, and I looked at this kit. It's just a little overpriced in my opinion to be a fake Black Series. I don't think I can do that to myself. When the time is right, we'll get a real Black Series. But yeah, let's take a look at this car, man. As you guys can see, they redid the interior. Got Alcantara pretty much everywhere. You know, should be carbon fiber here. I don't know why you didn't do that. Missing some buttons here. You can tell it's the 18 model because of this dashboard. I'll show you guys the inside of mine. It looks a little bit different. But yeah, pretty cool fucking body kit, you know. 40K on top of the 80K that this car cost. And let's see if it has an exhaust system on it. No, factory exhaust. So yeah, let me show you guys outside. This AMG Black Series is actually available for sale. It's going for 120K. I'm not sure if it's a 2018 or 2017, but this is a full body kit, Black Series body kit on an AMG GT. It looks pretty damn good. I mean, we've seen some body kits come in that look like complete dog shit. This is a full wide body kit on a Mercedes, and it looks damn good, man. I mean, carbon fiber rear bumper. This is outrageous. I mean, like, dude, full carbon fiber Black Series wing looks pretty sick. Well, and you know, really well installed. You know, the install is great. I give it to them on this. This is aftermarket. It looked like they had to do some body work here to make it wider. Factory wheels from 2018. I don't know why those are on there. There should be some upgraded Mercedes wheels. Got the carbon fiber side skirts. Those look pretty good. Got the fenders, the Black Series fenders with a shark fin on there. That looks good. Fits really flush with the side skirt. Got this vent up top. Also looks damn good, man. The lines are on point. You guys can see it. You know, somebody did a damn good job with the install. You see the monster grill from light to light, man. That's how you can tell it's a Black Series, the wider grill. So the GTC I got up front is a little bit more narrow, but you know, obviously not a Black Series, but carbon fiber front lip to match a carbon fiber front grill. Or no, it's actually black. And then you got the carnards on the side there, guys. And then you got this hood. There's a Black Series hood. Looks pretty sweet. And yeah, that's my crazy ass daddy. Yeah, so we're just slapping on some tips. I don't know why The customer's going a little inexpensive on the tips. He's got some regular dual stainless, you know, double wall 4-inch tips. I would put something a little bit nicer on there. Personally, if you got all this money into this car, you don't want to finish it off with a shit product. He's making me do it, guys. I don't want to do it. But comment below, what would you guys put on this car? You know, what would you guys want to see in that cutout right there? Because you got a lot of space to work with. You know, we could pretty much put anything in there. Some sweet AMG style tips might even fit pretty nice. But, you know, we're gonna finish this wide body V6, boy. And then we'll get the Black Series on the lift and we'll see what it looks like under there.
Okay, so unfortunately the customer did not want to do the work because he wanted to do it the cheapest route possible. He wanted to just flatten out this tip, make it oval, and match up to this and weld it. We did not want to go ahead and do that. That looks hideous on there. That's not the proper way to do it. The proper way to do it would be chopping off that elbow, of course taking off all this cover, and then getting to that elbow so we can refabricate that and put the tips in properly so that way they can sit nice and flush where they're supposed to be. Customer just wanted the cheapest route. We didn't want to go ahead and do that. We want to do it the proper way all the time and get you guys out of here correctly, not the cheapest route possible.
Whoa. We got the wang. The last wing was some bullshit. Fit like dog shit. Had my trunk leaking. Not cool. Not very Benz-like. So we got a new wing from RW Carbon. The quality is legit. Let me take these bolts out. I'll show you guys the actual wing. So the wing's about to come off. Boom, factory wing disconnected. So that's the carbon fiber wing. This thing is massive. It looks pretty sick. The quality on this is immaculate. It's impeccable. Fits like a glove. Just gonna do a quick test fit real quick. Fits really fucking nice. Boom. Boom. Wing is active now. Sick. Got a little simulator. I'm gonna tuck it up. I just gotta drop it, test for leaks. I'm gonna pop some paper towels in here. I just gotta block these off. And then that's really it. So Jay insisted I talk about it. So as you guys could see, I was having some issues with the sealer. We hose tested it. Wasn't sealing a little bit, so we hit it with some silicone, letting it dry right now. Should be good. We're talking about drip, minor drips, so we'll see. So the wing's on there, job finished. I'm gonna wait with the covers. I'm gonna give it one more day, and I'm gonna put some towels, you know, when I park it at home, just to make sure it doesn't leak overnight. And yeah, man, just double seal that thing, bro. Sometimes you gotta wrap it up twice, guys, you know? Sometimes it's not worth getting, I'll leave that out of it.